Sophia Jewelry. Honor your story.
Hello, I'm Jen, Empowerment Consultant sa Sophia Jewelry. Una is yung nakapag-travel ako, nakasakay ako ng aeroplano dahil kay Sophia Jewelry. That was year 2020. I was reassigned in Davao City po. First time ko mag-travel mag-isa, so excited ako that time. Then, challenging para sa akin. Second is yung naging EC of the year ako last year 2022. So, ang saya ko. And then, kasi sa out of all ECs, ako yung last EC standing to hit the January to December target. Yun, during the awarding night, yung tinawag na yung name ko, paakyat na ako sa stage to receive the plaque and the check. Ang saya sa feeling and napaka-fulfilling ko. Sa akin kasi nag-grow ako as individual. Madami akong natutunan because of the trainings na binibigay ni Sophia sa amin. Kasi not just lang sa store ma-apply, then sa personal life ko, na-apply ko siya and to my family. Family naman, masaya sila para sa akin kasi nakikita nila na masaya ako, naging mas responsable ang anak ako dahil nagkaroon ako ng trabaho dito sa Sophia. Ako na yung nag-provide ko ang mga pangangailangan. So, una is to have a good communication skills. Two is good customer service. Last is product knowledge. Love yourself, be healthy para laging maganda, and huwag masyadong magpaka-stress. I am so blessed to be part of Sophia Jewelry. I am thankful sa mga trainings, sa mga experience, sa mga opportunities na binibigay ng company sa amin. And malaking thank you kasi they're always giving rewards in every success na nagagawa namin sa company. So thank you so much, Sophia Jewelry, to be part of my journey.
Sophia Jewelry. 30 years of honoring your story.